Welcome to my channel. This is Isaac Angel. Today we're inside a 2024 Jayco Granite Ridge. It's a beautiful Class B plus RV motorhome, especially for those of you guys who are all about adventure on the road. So let's give the mic and the camera to Mary and she'll take us away.
Thank you, Isaac. Yes, we are here. Exciting news on the Jayco Granite Ridge. It's finally arrived. We've been hearing about it for a few months, but it is here at Fretz RV in Souderton, Pennsylvania. And you can ask for me, Mary. I'd be more than happy to help you out with this. This is a beautiful coach. It's made for off-road. It's on the 350 all-wheel drive transit chassis, so it's going to take you off-road wherever you need to go. It's designed to be four-season. It holds 53 gallons of fresh water. It's phenomenal. Has a cassette toilet, holds 51 gallons of gray water. This is just an incredible coach. The versatility of this is amazing, and they put it together in such a beautiful package. This has the dual pane windows, so that's part of that four-seasonness. These dual panes open up nice and wide so you can get great air through here. And of course they give you a nice shade to pull down, insulated shades, and they keep the heat out and the cold out. Of course you have a nice big screen too to keep all those little critters out when you're out off the grid. So this is built for comfort, beauty. Design is phenomenal. A big TV up front here. You can see this from this beautiful dinette area. You can see it from back in the bedroom. And as you can see, these front cab chairs swivel around. This dinette area is very versatile. This table moves however you need it to either get in the back or get closer, so you can move it in whatever position you need. This also has a seat belt here with a tether. So if you have a child with you, you need to put their car seat here, you can tether that car seat. Jayco's always thinking of safety. That's their number one thing. So nice Ford Transit chassis here with all of the safety features. All-wheel drive, has adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, collision avoidance, all that is included here in this Transit chassis. And they didn't forget the storage. Tons of storage here. Tons of storage in here. I can't even reach the back of it. And then over here you have nice positive latching system, big cabinets on both sides. Look at those beautiful cabinets. And then they close them, latch them, and they're not going to open while you're driving. They even gave you a shade for the window, which that's incredible. That's a good add to have that. Here we have another big cabinet, and then your microwave connects here. This is a convection microwave, so you're out there and you want to cook something, you can bake it and cook it. Now they do give you the option in here for a induction cooktop. So the induction cooktop comes right up here, sits right up here, and it's stored in this cabinet up here. So you just take this down, you can set it up right here, and you have an induction cooktop with this big beautiful bowl sink to do your dishes in. And of course it has the extender faucet with the spray valve. This is just put together so nicely. One more drawer down here, and then you have nice cabinet here, big access right underneath the sink there, so it gives you access to everything under that sink. And another cabinet right here with shelves in it, so they did not forget the storage. Now if we come up here, we look at our control centers. We do have our Timberline heater. This Timberline heater runs on gasoline. So you're going to have gasoline in this coach. Has a big gas tank, 31 gallons. So this will draw off that gasoline tank, but it will last you plenty of time with that heat. And then you do have your Firefly screen up here. This Firefly has all of your controls for your lights in here. Your lighting screen is right here. Everything with the arrow up and down means that it's a dimmable control, so you can turn all your lights on and off right from this screen here. Don't worry about the blinking triangle. It just tells us that the trim is not on because we're inside here. And then we do have our climate control, so we can just turn our air conditioner on right here. Our heat control again is down here. And then we do have our slide or awning controls here. So this has the option of the rear awning too. So that's an option in this coach. There's an awning that comes out the back, and then you have a nice big beautiful awning that comes out the side. And they did not forget the refrigerator here. So I'm going to have you come on this side and you can open that fridge. Oh, we're going to switch. We're going to do the dance here. So look at this refrigerator. So it is beautiful. And this drawer on the bottom and all the way up here. And then you have a nice size freezer. So it's a good size freezer, goes way back. Okay, so plenty of room in this freezer here. And it's indoor cold, so it's a great brand. 12-volt refrigerator freezer. So this is going to run off of your 12-volt batteries here. This is going to cool down within an hour, ready for you to put your food in. So while we're on this side, let's take a look inside the bathroom. This is, oops, gotta close that cabinet. This is a beautiful bathroom here. Again, this is a cassette toilet. But coming inside the bathroom, they didn't forget anything, because here's the sink where you can wash your hands and brush your teeth. And then down here, you have your cassette toilet. So you just turn it to a comfortable position. You have plenty of room to sit down in here. You need plenty of room to shower in here also. And what a great feature. They gave you a window in the bathroom. Don't you love that? A window in the bathroom and a vent fan. So they thought of everything in here.
I think they also have a medicine cabinet over there.
The medicine cabinet too. Yep, it does. I break it. So there we go. Excellent. And they actually gave you a clothesline too. Clothesline to hang up your clothes.
I love how they have also the ducted AC.
Yep, ducted AC vent. You can direct that right here into the bathroom. And then they didn't forget the shower curtain. So a nice shower curtain that also squeegees itself off when it closes. Now look at this nice feature. This door is latched here. So you can have two separate living spaces. So somebody can come up here in the morning, make the coffee, get breakfast ready, while the sleepy ones back here still in bed. So back here, we do have two twin beds. So this is two twin beds, but if I want to make it one big king bed, so we just going to pull this cushion down. There we go. There we go. We got our big king size bed. You could actually sleep either way in here. You could sleep north, south, or east, west. And this does have the beautiful awning windows all the way around. Come back here. Check out the size of this window, Isaac. It is tremendous. And that is a big window on this side also. So we have a lot of room. You can also mount your TV up here. So it gives you a mounting bracket already there for the TV. You have outlets here, and you have, again, more storage all the way back here. Tons of storage compartments all through this coach. And again, this big awning window here, and another large window back here also. It is incredible. Storage. More storage. Big, big closet there. And more drawers here. Another closet on this side.
It's closet galore.
I know, my gosh, you can fit everything in here. So it is perfect. Again, this is the Granite Ridge, available here at Fretz RV in Souderton, Pennsylvania. 215-723-3121, and ask for Mary Stevens.
All right, so you watched this little video by Mary here at Fret's RV. Go ahead and call her if you want yourself in this beautiful outdoor adventure Class B plus Jayco Granite Ridge. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and until the next time, see you on the road.